Hello and welcome to Vivid Specialized Dentistry. Whether you've been referred or are hoping to become a patient at the clinic, the first step is the new patient examination. In this video, we'll walk you through what a new patient examination involves so you know exactly what to expect. You'll also learn how this important visit helps us create a personalized treatment plan to ensure you receive the best dental care possible. Let's get into it. Your new patient exam will take about 60 to 90 minutes. When you book this appointment, you'll receive a link to complete your new patient forms online. You can also find these forms on our website on the Contact Us section. If you're not able to complete them in time, no problem. Just arrive 15 minutes early to your appointment to give you enough time to complete them before we get started. There is a fee associated with this appointment. This is collected at the time of booking to secure your appointment. The fee for your exam with Dr. Sumar includes a review of your medical and dental history, a full set of high-quality photos of your face and teeth. We capture detailed images from every angle so we can fully assess your dental condition and track changes over time. Dr. Sumar will assess your teeth for pre-existing dental work, signs of wear, mobility, cracks, dental cavities, periodontal status, and overall oral health. Dr. Sumar will complete a bite analysis to compare how your jaw naturally rests versus how your teeth fit together when closed. If there are areas where teeth are missing, we'll look at the shape and health of those ridges, checking for things like bone height, width, soft tissue condition, or anything unusual under the surface. And if you have forwarded us any x-rays, we will review them at this appointment as well. Depending on your needs, we may also recommend additional diagnostic records, such as x-rays or 3D scans. These records come at an additional cost and will be quoted at your appointment if required. These include a full set of dental x-rays to check for bone and root health, as well as cavities, a cone beam CT scan, which gives us a detailed 3D view of your teeth, bone, and jaw structures, 3D digital scan, for diagnostic mounted models, which are physical replicas of your teeth and bite, mounted in a way that simulates how the upper and lower jaws come together. Once your records, photos, and scans are obtained, Dr. Sumar will review them thoroughly and present you with a definitive treatment plan with multiple options that will be presented to you at your complimentary formal consultation. Before we wrap up, here are a few important things to keep in mind. If you've had x-rays recently taken at a dental office, please have them forwarded to our clinic before your appointment. They can be emailed to us at reception@vividdental.ca. Please note that our office is non-assignment. This means that we do not direct bill to dental insurance companies. That said, we're happy to submit your claims on your behalf to help you receive reimbursement as smoothly as possible. If you ever need to cancel or reschedule your appointment, we just ask that you give us 48 hours notice. This helps to avoid any late cancellation fees. And finally, we have free parking at the back of our building. If you need any help locating the parking lot, visit our website or feel free to give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help you. We look forward to meeting you and supporting you on your dental health journey.